5 Japanese engines proven to exceed 300,000 miles in an automotive landscape increasingly focused on performance metrics and technological complexity. Some drivers prioritize something simpler: longevity. Many vehicles will reach 250,000 or even 300,000 miles without major repairs. Data from resale market analysis, notably from IC cars, reveals that certain Japanese engines consistently outperform others in long-term durability. This isn't accidental. It's the result of conservative engineering, strong materials, and designs prioritizing sustained performance over short-term gains. Here are 5 Japanese engines known for exceeding 300,000 miles with proper care. Toyota's 2 UZ-FE V8. The overbuilt legend, the Toyota 2 UZ-FE 4.7-liter V8, found in models like the Land Cruiser, Sequoia, Tundra, and Lexus GX470, has earned a near-mythical reputation for durability. Unlike many competitors who shifted to aluminum blocks, Toyota opted for a cast-iron block for the 2 UZ-FE, adding structural integrity and resistance to wear. The engine's conservative tuning lower power output relative to displacement reduced stress on internal components. IC Cars data consistently shows Toyota Land Cruisers among the vehicles most likely to exceed 200,000 miles, with over 15% surpassing that mark in some surveys. Consumer Reports reliability assessments reinforce this reputation, with Land Cruiser and Lexus GX models consistently ranking highly. Owners frequently report 300,000-mile examples with original parts intact, proving this V8 wasn't designed for speed, but for survival. Honda's K-Series 4-cylinder. Simplicity and efficiency. Honda's K-Series engines, K20 and K24 variants, represent a successful balance between reliability, efficiency, and practicality. Introduced in the early 2000s, these engines powered models like the Civic, Accord, CR-V, and Acura TSX. Many K-Series variants remained naturally aspirated to avoid the heat and pressure associated with forced induction. Consumer Reports consistently ranked Honda models with K-Series engines among the most dependable in their class. IC Cars research shows Honda Accords and CR-Vs frequently rank among vehicles exceeding 200,000 miles. These engines can last decades with proper maintenance, demonstrating that durability doesn't always require over-engineering, but rather controlled compression ratios and wise material choices. Toyota's 1GR-FE V6. Conservative engineering at its finest. Toyota's 1GR-FE 4-liter V6, powering vehicles like the 4Runner, Tacoma, and FJ Cruiser, shares the same philosophy as the 2 UZ-FE: long-term reliability above all else. The 1GR-FE retained a robust internal construction and proven cooling methods, even as later iterations adopted more modern designs. Conservative output values relative to displacement reduced sustained mechanical stress. Toyota 4Runners and Tacomas consistently rank among the vehicles most likely to exceed 200,000 miles in IC Cars research. Consumer Reports reliability data supports this, with these models often used in harsh conditions, providing real-world stress testing. Many documented 1GR-FE engines surpass 300,000 miles without major internal repairs, proving the effectiveness of simple, reliable engineering. Nissan's VQ Series V6. Performance and reliability combined. Nissan's VQ Series V6 engines are a rare combination of performance and durability. Featured in models like the Maxima, Altima, 350Z, Infiniti G35, and FX, the VQ earned recognition on Ward's 10 Best Engines list. Naturally aspirated VQ variations proved particularly durable, despite some model years experiencing oil consumption issues. The VQ's balanced design, long-lasting valvetrain components, and sturdy aluminum block construction contributed to its longevity. IC Cars data shows Nissan Maxima and Pathfinder models among the high-mileage vehicles. Enthusiast communities frequently report VQ-powered vehicles exceeding 250,000 to 300,000 miles with routine maintenance, proving that performance and reliability aren't mutually exclusive. Mazda's Skyactiv G 4-cylinder. Modern efficiency with lasting durability, Mazda's Skyactiv G engines represent a newer era of Japanese engineering. Designed for efficiency and emissions compliance, these naturally aspirated four cylinders use high compression ratios and lightweight components. Despite their modern design, Skyactiv engines have demonstrated strong reliability in consumer report surveys, where Mazda consistently ranks among the most dependable brands. Mazda retained naturally aspirated configurations in many of its models, reducing long-term stress and complexity compared to competitors adopting small displacement turbocharged engines. Early high-mileage examples are emerging with minimal major repair reports, suggesting that modern efficiency doesn't have to compromise longevity. Longevity is a design choice. Reaching 300,000 miles isn't guaranteed. But these engines demonstrate that careful design and conservative engineering can significantly increase the odds. These power plants share common traits: robust materials, proven cooling systems, and a focus on durability over peak performance. They weren't built to break records, they were built to endure. In a market increasingly driven by complexity, this kind of engineering restraint may be the ultimate competitive advantage.